Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the schools of jurisprudence. So first, there are five types of schools in jurisprudence. Five schools. The first school is natural law school, and the second is historical school. Third, which deals with analytical school, so it can be said as positive school also. And next is sociological school and realist school. Now let's see the natural law school law. So natural law is nothing but it is a law which is a divine in nature and it is a cardinal law. So it is a universal law. So it dates back to ancient and medieval period. So they used to follow the natural law. And next comes the historical school. Historical school it focuses on the evolution of law through history. And the next is analytical positivism, which is known as positive school. So it is proponent by John Austin. So, law as a command of sovereign exists. Next school is the sociological school, which examines the social impact and functions of law. And the fifth school is the realist school, which deals with the practical applications. So, how law is actually practiced in the courts and judges, how they interpret it. This is all about it deals with. Okay, and next, let's see. The jurist, Professor H.L.A. Hart, he says that legal rules are not just patterns, but it is accepted by individuals. And he also is a propounder of he also follows the positive school principles. So he says that laws are commands, which is from authority, and he has written in this book, which is known as Concept of Law. In that, he says that law is a system of something rules. Okay, then John Austin also he is also supporter of this positive school, and he says that positive law it is been divided into three character, which is known as command, sovereign, and sanction. Okay, and Jeremy Bentham, he is another jurist, and he has propounded the theory which is known as utilitarian theory. So it is nothing but it is the main theme is that the greatest happiness of the greatest number. So he is a critic of natural law theory. Okay, so he says that nature, no, the law is not derived from the nature, but it is the greatest happiness of greatest number. So in his book, he says that an introduction to the principles of morals and legislation. In this book, he says that he has divided the human behavior of pain and pleasure into four. So that is, first is physical, political, moral, and religion. So physical is nothing but it is the natural consequences which affect the body, and political is nothing but it is the penalties in the world which is given by the government. And moral is nothing but social pressures or community approvals or disapprovals. And the religion uh, is nothing but it is the consequences which is affected by the higher power. Thanks for watching.